Dating, what do you think about it? Do you think it differs from other culture? How different is dating in America from China?
Yes. um, well, once you get married, I guess in the usual definition is that you're not going to get married again. So that's going to be the last person you're going to sleep with ever. But I think you should definitely have more than one person to go on. Like that's.
Yeah, I think it's okay.
I think in China, they want to save the first time to their husband. I think it's okay.
Yes. Gotta try it before you buy it, alright? Like, seriously. I mean, don't be going around screwing everybody. But if you like someone, you gotta see if the shoe fit and if you like how it feels. That's all I'm gonna say.
Maybe kiss face, or not kiss mouth.
Yes, as long as you're not eating each other's faces in public.
Yes, it's okay to kiss, but maybe you should be kind of like secretive about it. Like a kiss goodbye is probably okay. That kind of kiss.
Maybe the men pay the most of, because in China it's tradition.
Most of the time it's man pay the bill, but sometimes we separate.
I think the man should pay for the date because I just feel like that. I mean, I guess if a girl asks him out, like, he should still pay. I don't care, either way.
Yes, I think it's okay.
No. Yeah. Actual dating, just one person.
Yes, if you have enough energy, you can do
In public?
Well, I don't like that. I think it's not really good.
Yeah, I think okay.
Yeah, of course. Because I think I love her and she love me, so I think we can.
I don't like that. I think that's too possessive. I think it's usually a man. I mean, we're talking men. Men, don't put your arm around the girl. Like, you're trying to make it seem like you own her or something. Like, this is my bitch. Like, no, don't say that. Like, this should be your woman. You should respect her. And, like, keep your hands out of her ass pocket, too. Like, seriously, I'm tired of seeing that around town. Like, if you want, hold her hand, brush the hair out of her face, show some affection, but don't own her. Like, you're together. She's not yours.
I think it's after 25 because you may finish your study and you may find a job first.
Maybe 30. Yeah, 30.
Ready to get married is not till you're after 25. You need to be out of college, your own job, your own career, your own life, be completely independent, and then find someone that matches that. So that you're not dependent on each other for money, for support, but you just want to be together because you want to be together. So you meet each other later on in your careers, it's like your streams come together. It's like, oh yeah, this works.
That depends on when you find the person you want to get married to. Personally, I don't want to get married until like a long time from now. But I think a lot of people can be happy right after college or even after high school. I would definitely say graduate from high school first.
There is no right age to get married, and you should get married when you feel like getting married. Like, I don't get married till I'm like 80. So that was the right time I was supposed to get married.
People always start to change after they go to a new place. They have to join a new group and learn about the culture that is different from their own. An example of this is students who are from China. Since they have come to America, they have changed a lot. Before they told me they will not have girlfriend and boyfriend before they graduate from college. They will not have sex before they married, and they only have one relationship at a time. But right now, their own norms start to change, and they begin to take on American norms. They are trying to fit into the secondary group, the Americans, and as they socialize and get to know more people, their norms may have to change in order to understand everyone.
Another reason that their norms have changed is that they feel like they have more freedom because their primary reference group is not here in America. It's back in China. Their family and a lot of their friends are not here to judge them. Here, they are free to do what they want and act differently from how they normally would.